To set up a donatable real-time survey for your stream, like you see on the video, go to cheeseway.io. Link is in the description. This is a platform that creates special types of donations for developers and creators, not just a boring Ko-fi button. Once you're there, log in or register. You can use Google, Discord, or standard email and password login. I'm already logged in, so I'll click My Account. After logging in, you'll land on the My Sponsораbles page. Click the Create Sponsorable button and choose Survey. This will be your real-time survey. Now I'll name my survey. Survey named. Let's fill in the question field. Maybe I'll add a new option here. I can disable suggestions since I don't want any for this survey. Click Save and the survey is created. Perfect. It's now on the list. Let's copy the link for OBS. Before you paste the link to OBS, remember that to start collecting donates, you need to connect your payment method. Go to Settings, then Payment Methods, and connect your Stripe account. If you've ever used Ko-fi or Buy Me a Coffee, the Stripe onboarding is basically the same. You'll connect a payout method like your bank account. It takes about 2 minutes, and once you're set up, donations go straight to you. Cheeseway doesn't hold the money. I already have Stripe connected, so let's move on. Open OBS and add a new source. Select Browser. Name it something like Cheeseway Survey and paste the copied URL. If you want smooth animations, check Use Custom Frame Rate and set it to 60. If your computer is older, set it to 1 to disable animations. My computer is 10 years old, but I think it can handle 60 FPS. I'll also check the refresh browser when scene becomes active box for safety, and we're good. The survey now displays on the stream. Let's test it. I'll enable a game and vote on one of the options from my phone. Hold on, do you see this? Do you know why games like this often die? Funding. Ko-fi isn't the right tool for game donations. You should use a roadmap instead, like a Cheeseway roadmap, see? All features in one place, users know what's planned, they can vote on what they like most, or they can sponsor directly. If they really want to push a feature, they can upvote with a donation. Definitely a better tool than just a button, but back to the test. I'm clicking a vote in 3, 2, 1, voted, and the results appear on screen. Perfect, we've got it. To show the voter's perspective, I click vote, a pop-up appears, and I can vote or vote with a tip since free votes are enabled. If I want to make it sponsors only, I just go back to my survey, turn off Allow non-sponsor votes, save, and after refreshing, you can see the sponsors only mode in the top right corner. Now when I click vote, only the tip button is available.